body is made up of more than 37 trillion cells, and they work together peacefully on a daily basis. They divide at the right time, they follow a set of instructions like well-trained soldiers. In the process of division, a few normal cells make mistakes. They make mistakes like they have abnormalities here and there. We call these mistakes mutations. These abnormal cells begin to divide fast and uncontrollably. They add up together over a period of time to form a lump or a mass known as cancer. Now, if this lump starts in the breast, we call it breast cancer. If it starts in the cervix, cervical cancer. In the prostate in men, prostate cancer. In the colon or blood, we call it blood cancer. If these abnormal cells arise from the tongue, we call it tongue cancer. Anywhere these abnormal cells arise from, we name it after the organ where it originated from. Cancer cells behave abnormally. In fact, they are previously good cells that are now nasty and very troublesome. They don't listen to the body, or they do not take instructions from the body. So I would like to point out some characteristics of cancer cells. What makes them completely abnormal? Number one is that cancer cells continue to grow uncontrollably and carelessly. When a normal cell divides twice a day, cancer cells can divide 50 times a day. They behave like rebels, unwilling to follow the normal chain of command and instructions. So these rebel cells divide carelessly, as I said earlier. They fail to listen to the signals that tell them to stop growing. Another abnormal characteristic of cancer cells is that they can hide themselves from the immune system, because the body already has its defense mechanism, which is the immune system. When abnormal cells are produced, the immune system engulfs it or eats it up and throws it away. But cancer cells are able to hide themselves from the immune system. Naturally, the immune system identifies bacteria, viruses, foreign bodies, and even cancer cells, and it takes care of it. Naturally, if your immune system detects cancer cells, it will mobilize all its soldiers to swallow up that cancer cell. Unfortunately, some cancer cells have the ability to trick the immune system, dodge the immune system, and for a long time, the body lives with the cancer cell unknowing that it has an abnormal cell within it. Another abnormality of cancer is the fact that it's able to break away from its origin and travel through the blood or lymphatic system. Now, the blood and lymphatic system are the fluid system of the body. So when cancer cells escape into the fluid system, the cancer cells can get to any part of the body. And that's why cancer can be a life-threatening disease if it leaves its origin and travels to a vital organ like the liver, the lungs, and so on.